Hello guys,
Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the 6 best methods to annotate PDF. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button, and turn on notification for regular updates. In this tutorial, I have covered the methods like Adobe Acrobat DC, Wondershare PDFelement, DrawBoard PDF, PDF24, PDF XODO PDF Reader and Annotator. Without any delay, let's get started. What is Annotate PDF? Adding additional objects to a document is known as annotation. These annotations are used mainly to improve the already present content with additional media like images, drawings. This makes the content more elaborate and easy to understand by readers or viewers. With this annotate feature, you can add highlights, sticky notes, and other attachments to make the document more effective. Number 1. Adobe Acrobat DC. Visit the official website of Adobe Acrobat DC. Download and install the application on your computer. Launch the application. Then, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on the File option located at the left top corner. And, click on Open option. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. Click on the document where you want to annotate. Then, some options will be seen. Use those tools according to need. And, few more options are available on the right side of the window. After the completion of annotating the PDF, click on the Save option located at the left top. Number 2. Wondershare PDFelement. Visit and download the Wondershare PDFelement application. Check description for the link. Launch the application. Click on the Open Files option. Then a window will open. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. Make sure that you have selected the Edit option. Then, you will find annotation tools under that option. Using those options you can annotate the PDF. After the completion of annotation, click on the Save option. A window will pop up. Choose the destination and click on Save. Number 3. DrawBoard PDF. Visit the DrawBoard PDF official site and you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Check description for the website link. Click on the download option as showing in the tutorial. Then, you will find the download options. Choose your preference. Here, I'm choosing Microsoft Store option. Then, it will redirect you to Microsoft Store. Click on Install option to start the download process. After completion of download, click on Open to launch the application. Then, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on Open File from Device option. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. Click on the Document Settings option showing in the tutorial. Select the Annotations options. There you will find some annotation options. After the completion of annotation, click on the Save option. Number 4. PDF24 Tools. Visit the PDF24 Tools website. Check description for the direct link. Click on the Choose File option. Then a window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. After importing, annotation tools are seen at the top. Use those tools to annotate the PDF. Later, click on the Save icon located at the top left. Then it will redirect you to the download section. Click on Download option to download the final result. Number 5. PDF4me. Visit the PDF4me official site. Check description for the link. Click on the Select File option. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. After importing, tools are seen on the left side of the window. Annotate the PDF using those tools. Later click on the Download option located at the top right corner. Then, the file starts downloading. Number 6. XODO PDF. Visit the official site of XODO PDF. Check description for the website link. There you will find the Launch Now option. Click on it. Then it redirects you to the page showing in the tutorial. Click on the Local File option. A window will pop up. Choose the file from that window and click on Open. On the top right of the window, you will find the annotation tools. Click on the document and use the tools to annotate the PDF. Later, click on the Save and choose the option from the list to save the file. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.